there and welcome to Young Turks Ideas Without Boundaries. I'm Shireen Bhan. Now, organized retail is back on the government's radar. In fact, the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion has put forward a paper that's actually looking at building political consensus on why foreign direct investment should be brought into multi-brand retail, into malls like the one that I'm currently in. So we thought it was the right time to put the spotlight on young entrepreneurs who are cashing in on the retail opportunity, which is currently being pegged at over 1 lakh crore rupees. So here's a quick glimpse of what we have lined up for you on the show today. Our first guest was taking forward a 200 crore rupee paper packaging business before he actually decided to go the retail route. Sanjeev Khemka decided to get into the cereal manufacturing business. He became a contract manufacturer for companies like Heinz and even has his own private label for companies like Big Bazaar. Today, Murugan's is one of the most recognized brands of breakfast cereal. Here's the story of Sanjeev Khemka.
He's quite literally feeding the appetite of retail chains with his value for money proposition. Meet Sanjeev Khemka, managing the 200 crore rupee Khemka Group that owns the largest paper packaging company in India, KCL. But with the retail business in the country growing at 25% year-on-year, Sanjeev decided to bite in. Entering the breakfast cereal market with prices 10% lower than his rivals, Sanjeev co-founded KCL Food in 2008. And today boasts of a portfolio of 15 products, including cornflakes, muesli under the brand Murugan's. Selling this breakfast cereal in variants like chocolate and honey, the company also ventured into the confectionery business with its wafer brand, Stix, in November 2008. Apart from packaging for a host of companies, KCL Food is also a contract manufacturer for Complan and Glucon-D for Heinz. But what made Sanjeev bet big on breakfast cereals?
We zeroed in breakfast cereal because the only major player in the business was Kellogg's and there was no second big player in the business, and most of the breakfast cereal manufacturers worldwide are selling to European and American palate, and there was nothing which was available for Indian consumers as per Indian palate. So we thought we are going to manufacture something which is going to be good for Indians. And easily in 4 to 5 years or maybe in few years we can be number 2 in the category. And today in 3 years time we have from the first shop where we had placed our product, we are into almost pan India in most of the modern retail and traditional mom and pop shops. And we believe that in coming years we are going to really grow and be a serious contender in this category. And in terms of breakfast cereals, the habits are changing in India as nuclear families are coming in. People want to have something which is fast, quick, so that they can leave early, as both husband and wife are working nowadays. So we need to have something which can be sold, which people can go and buy, and convenience is today what is people are looking for, the consumers are looking for. And with the opening of modern retail chains in India, like most of the modern retail chains, Indian homegrown chains are doing good business, and with opening of FDI, it's going to further increase the number of shelf for breakfast cereal.
Packing shelves with Tasty Treat, a private label of cornflakes manufactured for Big Bazaar, priced between 90 to 125 rupees. Sanjeev says it is aggressive pricing that attracts consumers to local labels. Producing 600 tons of breakfast cereals every month, KCL Food supplies to retail giants like Spencer's, Walmart, Star Bazaar and other standalone supermarkets. With sales coming in at 2 crore rupees every month, KCL Food is not scared of the big boys.
The biggest challenge was to look for a technology which can be used to manufacture breakfast cereal and do R&D on different cereals which are available in India and convert them into breakfast cereal. So as there was no ready technology available, we had to do R&D at our end and develop the product. So it was a big challenge. If we talk about, we had to compete with the international leader in the category, and it's not easy to go and convince the 2% of the population of the country which are the target audience for breakfast cereal, as they are more inclined toward a brand which is international, and it becomes a little difficult. So it's a slow process, but we have been able to at least penetrate into the market, and today we have our own consumer base who prefer Murugan's over the leading brand. And thirdly, if we talk about to get entry into most of the retail segment, whether it's modern retail, mom and pop shop, they say without advertising, why should we keep your product? When it's going to start advertising, then we will think there is going to be a pull to your brand, then we will keep your product or place the product. So overall, if we see, it was very difficult to convince all kinds of retailers, but over a period of last 3 years, we have been able to convince many of them, and many of them, or almost all of them, are earning good profits by selling Murugan's brand through their outlets.
Cashing in on this success, the team at KCL Food now plans to expand its product portfolio with the launch of milk-based products by next year. With its in-house R&D working on developing products suited to the Indian palate, KCL Food is not only expecting to touch a turnover of 500 crore rupees by 2014, but is also planning a pan-India presence across 5,000 stores by the end of the year.
The potential is really big. Today, if we see, we have been growing at about 40% per annum, and industry average of growth is 25% in breakfast cereal. And as more and more modern retail chains are coming up and the distribution system is improving, we are at the moment working on a distribution system which is in Tier 1 cities, and we are going to take it to Tier 2. So once that is in place, we see that we may increase or double our turnover next year in breakfast cereal. And breakfast cereals as a whole, the consumers are accepting the fact that they need to have convenience, as 60% of the Indian population is young. So they have less of time, and they don't want to cook a heavy breakfast at home. So they want something light and healthy, which is good for their health. So what we foresee in the coming years, breakfast cereal market will grow at a healthy pace of about 35-40% as an industry average. And with our coming in dairy business, where we are going to have specialized custom-made powders and other dairy products, we hope to achieve a turnover of approximately 500 crores in next 4 to 5 years in our food business.
Well, here's wishing Sanjeev and KCL Food the very best of luck. Time for us to take a break, but when we return, an entrepreneur who's supplying to big brands like the one behind me. That story and more on our Young Turks Retail Special when we return.